Hey, please introduce yourself.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Nelpo Bacas, 31 years old, married. My husband is a private employee. We have two kids, 13 years old girl and 7 years old girl. I live in Barangay Panian, Balasan, Iloilo. I have one brother and 5 sisters, and I am the 6th child in the family. I graduated at Roberto H. Tirol National High School, Concepcion, Iloilo.
Okay, so it means you're a high school graduate
Yes, ma'am.
and you have two kids. Are you the one taking care of them since their birth?
Yes, ma'am.
And who will take care of your kids if you work abroad?
My mother and my husband, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have a work experience as a domestic helper abroad before?
No, ma'am. But I work experience here in Iloilo City, Philippines. They are couple with 2 kids, 7 years old boy and 5 years old girl. My duties every day is taking care of the baby, do all cleaning, ironing, washing the clothes, and cooking.
Is there another helper in your employer household?
No, ma'am.
So it means you are the only one taking care of the kids and doing all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
And how long did you work to your employer?
3 years, ma'am.
And how would you describe your employers? Are they good to you?
Yes, ma'am.
How would you describe yourself as a worker?
I am hardworking, can work under pressure, can manage my time, more patient, responsible, and happy person.
Do you have a tattoo?
Yes, ma'am. I have a tattoo at the left arm.
Okay, so thank you. Did you undergo any kind of surgery before?
No, ma'am.
And why do you want to work abroad?
For my children's future, ma'am, and to build our own house.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of a baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you sing a nursery song for baby or kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please give me example.
Watermelon, watermelon, papaya, papaya, banana, 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 fruit salad, fruit salad.
Okay, thank you. Do you have a food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with the kids or elder in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay if your day off is not Saturday or Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Would you accept no day off but instead to be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're homesick, would you break your contract and insist to return home?
No, ma'am. I will focus on my work, ma'am.
Would you like to work with employer who has many children?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you willing to share room with the kids or elder?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of an elderly also?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you willing to get up early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hour?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
Do you have full consent of your family to work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please say a short message to your future employer.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am. If you select me as your domestic helper, I will finish my contract and extend if needed. I am trustworthy, responsible, and honest person. Hardworking and can work with less supervision. Thank you and God bless, ma'am, sir.
Okay, so could you promise also to your mom and sir that you will take care of their children like your own children?
Yes, ma'am.
And you will serve your family with all your heart and with all your best?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's all for today and thank you for coming.